I hear a buzz, the buzz of a bee flying around already this afternoon. It's 60 degrees almost, maybe 55. I really didn't expect to be doing this just right yet, but I'm going to take advantage of this sunny weather. Yeah, we had a little bit of snow on the ground the other day. I mean, just a tiny bit. We don't get much here. And here it is, 2 days later, and I'm out here in the sunshine. I almost should be having a hat on. It's just bright, brilliant. But guess what? Today we're going to do a box opening. Yes, sir. We got some boxes here that I'm going to bring up, and we'll just open them up and see what we got. Here we go. I must say, today I'm going to have to get into the bees. What do we have here? Well, for one, we're not sponsored by anybody, but I needed these batteries, and this is the best deal I could get for my next project. So I don't even know how to get this thing open, but we'll see. Oh, there's some tape on it. Okay, we'll just take our nifty knife out here and unpack this baby. What's this? Nothing else in there. Put that aside. We have a package from DeWalt. Like I said, we're not sponsored. We're just making videos here for YouTube for our beekeeping education thing here, because everybody needs to know there are certain things we need to do in beekeeping. Yep, got a battery here. It's wrapped up. It's 20XR5. Let's see. I can show it to you here. Yeah, there we go, 20XR5. And we have a second one. Another 21XR5. Now the reason I'm getting them out today is because I need to charge them up. I got a charger. Look at that, nifty charger. You know, back in the day, DeWalt didn't charge you for everything to get a battery. You bought the battery with it. But no, the times have changed. I guess they can make it more money selling it separately. Well, we can zip back up. I'll stick this in my pocket, I guess, so it won't blow around. I got a feeling I'm going to use that bag for something else besides batteries. Put that right there. Now here's the next one. An unmarked box. I want to give a shout out to Barnyard Bees for actually opening up the other day. I called them to see about getting one of these, and Jimmy was there in the office, but they were closed. And I said I wanted to get this, and he said, well, come on over and we'll set you up. So he met me at 5:15 or something like that. Little bee out there. And that was kind of kind to him. But here we have why I bought those batteries. This is I know you're going to hear a lot of clicking and clacking here. I better put this inside so it doesn't blow away. Robies Instavac. Oh, we have a warning here, I guess. Okay, well, we'll read that later. Don't think it's too important. Nice little card here. Again, we're not sponsored. But here it is, the Instavac for your oxalic acid treatment. A little plunger here, it goes in here. And we're all set. And we threw in a little clean out thing for the deal here. I'm not sure how that works, but maybe it goes this way. I don't know. We'll find out. But I see there's a couple of O-rings here to go with it. So basically that's it on that. This is where I've been spending my money. Yeah, talking some serious money here. Those batteries and this thing here and put it back in the box. We're going to probably be using it the next couple days. That's probably what's going to go in that DeWalt bag. So we'll put that over there. And we'll stick that in there. Ah, we got a bonus. This is just a treat for me. Since I got the batteries, I might as well have a treat for me, right? Yeah. Costs a lot of money. But hopefully I'll sell some bees and sell some honey. And yeah, it'll work out in the end. It's amazing how much money you can spend on these things. But without further ado, let's see what my bonus is. Well, I needed something more than just a vac, an instant vac for my bees. How about a plaything for me? Now, I have had lots of tools for woodworking because I did a lot of woodworking in my lifetime. I built the house that I'm standing beside, and I found that these things are really handy. But the one I had was another brand that gave up the ghost on the battery years ago. So when I got these batteries, sorry about all the clicking and clacking here, I thought, well, I'll just get something else for the fun of it. And here it is. Now, DeWalt makes a good tool, so I'm pretty sure it'll last a few more years than the other one did. Look at that. The battery will fit on here, right in the back here. And wow, we're good to go. It's got a blade in here. Ha! 6.5, 18 teeth. Carbide tip. Yeah! Okay, we'll put that together again another time. But it's time for me to close up shop here for now and go and get into the bees. So we'll do that. I'll put all this stuff away after I close the film. Well, that's been fun, and I'm sure we're going to have some good videos with that. I'm thinking this will make a good saw for making a swarm trap. So there we go. We'll see you in the bees. Yeah, we'll see you in the bees. Hey, hit the subscribe button if you will. Appreciate it. Thank you.